Hi, this is Dr. Soikat Mujumdar. Today we will discuss the another statistics, that is Bose-Einstein statistics. It is the part of quantum statistics. Already we have discussed Fermi-Dirac statistics in the quantum statistics and Maxwell-Boltzmann statistics in the classical statistics. So this Bose-Einstein statistics, this topic falls under the module 5 of statistical mechanics in Basic Science and Humanities PH 101 course. The learning objective is to compute macroscopic properties from the quantum mechanical information about the atoms and molecules of interest. Now, what are postulates of Bose-Einstein statistics? So these are the basic postulates that we will discuss. These are for Bose-Einstein statistics. The associated particles are identical and indistinguishable. That means these particles are identical. That means we cannot distinguish one from another. That means all the particles are colored by, so there are 10 balls and all the balls are colored by same size, same shape, and they are colored by blue color say. Then we cannot distinguish one from another. So these are indistinguishable as they are in same shape, same size, so they are identical. Number 2 is particles do not obey Pauli's exclusion principle. When the particles do not obey Pauli's exclusion principle, that means each energy state can accommodate any number of particles. That means the energy states will be filled by any number of particles. It may be 0, it may be more than 1. This is if these are the energy states, 1, 2, 3, these are the energy states. So the particles can be accommodated by any number. Here it is 2, there is no particle. Here 1, here 3, then no 1. Here full number of particles, there is no 1. This is how the energy states will be distributed. The particles have a 0 or integral spin. That is, the spin angular momentum ms h cut is equal to 0 h cut. 0 h cut means 0, or simply 1 h cut. 1 h cut means h cut. 2 h cut, 3 h cut, etc. H cut means h by 2 pi, where h is the Planck's constant. We know the value of 2 pi, 2 into 3.14, and the value of h is 6.634 into 10 to the power minus 34 joule second. Here ms is the spin quantum number. So the particles having 0 or integral spin. The wave function of the system is symmetric under the positional exchange of any two particles. We will discuss it later. Now let us compare Bose-Einstein statistics with the Fermi-Dirac statistics in terms of their postulates. Fermi-Dirac statistics, the postulates are, first one is same for these two, that means identical and indistinguishable. Fermions obey Pauli's exclusion principle, but Beast statistics, it is postulated that these particles will not obey Pauli's exclusion principle. In case of Fermi-Dirac postulate, each energy state have at most one particle. That means in any energy state, that means any energy state can accommodate either 1 or 0 particles. But here each energy state can accommodate any number of particles. For Fermi-Dirac statistics, the particles having odd integral spin, half odd integral spin, but here the particles having 0 odd integral spin. That means for Fermi-Dirac statistics, the spins are half h cut, 3/2 h cut, 5 h cut, but here the spins are 0, h cut, 1 h cut, 2 h cut, 3 h cut, etc. For Fermi-Dirac statistics, one of the postulate was the wave functions are antisymmetric. But for Bose-Einstein statistics, the wave functions are symmetric. So these are the basic difference between the postulates of Bose-Einstein and Fermi-Dirac statistics. Now come to the point for Bose-Einstein statistics. Now the particles that follows the Fermi-Dirac statistics are known as fermions. Here similarly we can say the particles, those are identical, indistinguishable, having integral spin and obey Bose-Einstein statistics are known as bosons. So the particles that will follow the Bose-Einstein statistics are known as bosons. The examples of bosons are photons, phonons. Phonons means acoustic phonons. Alpha particles. Alpha particles means 2He4. Pi mesons, K mesons, eta mesons. The molecules having even number of nuclei. Even number of nuclei means the number of proton plus neutron inside the nucleus will be even. All obey Bose-Einstein statistics. That is, say for example 1H2, 2He4, 6C12, 8O16, all are examples of bosons. But for fermions it was odd number of nuclei. Then we have written 1H1, 3Li7, 6C13, 8O17, etc. But for boson 1H1, 2He4, 6C12, 6C14 also, 8O16 are all bosons. Now just we will again recapitulate this part. Symmetric and antisymmetric wave function. Let us consider a wave function psi 1, 2, 3 Rs n. It's n particle system wave function. Now if we just alter R and S as S and R, if after the alteration the wave function becomes same, then this wave function will be known as symmetric wave function. But when they are not same, they are antisymmetric. That is, when they are minus of this, then it will be antisymmetric wave function. So already we have discussed during Fermi-Dirac statistics. Again I am recapitulating this part, symmetric and antisymmetric wave function. Suppose the allowed wave function for a n particle system is psi 1, 2, 3 R S n, where the integers within the argument of psi represent the coordinates of the n particles relative to some fixed origin. Now we interchange the positions of any two particles, say R and S. The resulting wave function becomes psi 1, 2, 3 S R up to n. The wave function psi is said to be symmetric when psi 1, 2, 3 R, S, n. These are the arguments. Is equal to psi 1, 2, 3 S R, just interchanging S R n. And antisymmetric when psi 1, 2, 3 R, S n is equal to minus psi 1, 2, 3 up to SR up to n. Now this is the Bose-Einstein distribution. Already I have shown this one. Again it will be required for calculation of Bose-Einstein distribution. This is the nth energy level. We have taken specific nth energy level. So suppose the first quantum state having 2 particles, 2 having no particle, third having 1, fourth having 3, fifth having no particle, sixth 4, seventh no, and suppose up to Gi. The Gi number of quantum states. Let us come to the Bose-Einstein distribution law. Let us consider the total number of ways in which Ni number of identical, indistinguishable, non-interacting particles can be distributed among Gi quantum states. That means our number of particles is Ni and they are distributed among these Gi quantum states. These are the quantum sets 1, 2, 3, 4 up to Gi. Each having energy Ei, that each quantum state cell of the phase space can be occupied by any number of particles. This is the assumption, as the particles do not obey Pauli's exclusion principle. So any quantum state can be accommodated by any number of particles. Suppose Ni identical particles are arranged in a row and distributed among Gi quantum states with Gi minus 1 partitions in between to give distinct arrangements. Why? Suppose there are, say for example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Say Gi is equal to 10. Then how many numbers of partitions are there in between these quantum states? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 means 10 minus 1. So Gi minus 1 number of partitions. So here we have discussed distributed among Gi quantum states with Gi minus 1 partitions in between to give distinct arrangements. The number of possible distinguishable and distinct arrangements of Ni identical particles. Ni means n suffix I. Identical particles with Gi minus 1, that means G suffix I partitions. G suffix I minus 1 partitions can be given as W . So Wi is equal to Ni plus Gi minus 1 factorial, and in the denominator part Ni factorial Gi minus 1 factorial. That means Wi is equal to Ni plus Gi minus 1 factorial by Ni factorial Gi minus 1 factorial. Hence the total number of ways of the entire distribution of n particles in n number of energy levels of the system is capital is the total number of ways of distribution n per total number of particles, and small n is the number of energy levels of the system. That is EI, it will move from 1 to n. EI, E1, E2, E3 up to En. And capital is the number of particles, N1, N2, N3, N4 in this way. So W is equal to product sum I to N, Ni plus Gi minus 1 by J minus 1 factorial by Ni factorial Gi minus 1 factorial. So pi denotes the product sum. That's the product sum. Using Stirling's approximation, Bose-Einstein distribution law deduced as Ni is equal to Gi e to the power alpha plus beta Ei minus 1. That means this is the exponentiation part minus 1. Here also alpha and beta are the multipliers. In thermal equilibrium, for bosons at temperature T, if mu is the chemical potential of the system and K is the Boltzmann constant, we can write alpha is equal to minus mu by Kt and beta is equal to 1 by Kt. So these are multipliers, alpha and beta. So K is the Boltzmann constant, its value is 1.38 10 to the power minus 23 joule per Kelvin. We get the equation putting these values alpha and beta here. Ni is equal to Gi by e to the power Ei minus mu by Kt. Ei minus mu by Kt. As beta means 1 by Kt, this is positive part, this one is negative part, so Ei comes forward, Ei minus mu is then by Kt minus 1. So occupation index Ni by Gi is equal to 1 by e to the power Ei minus mu by Kt minus 1. Remember, for Bose-Einstein statistics, the formula was Ni by Gi is equal to 1 by for Fermi-Dirac statistics. For Fermi-Dirac statistics, Ni by Gi was 1 by e to the power alpha plus beta Ei plus 1. But here it is minus 1. For Maxwell-Boltzmann statistics, there was no this extra part 1. So there is a difference between three distribution laws of number of particles, or in terms of occupation index also. For Maxwell-Boltzmann it is Ni by Gi is equal to 1 by e to the power alpha plus beta Ei. For Fermi-Dirac, Ni by Gi is equal to 1 by e to the power alpha plus beta Ei plus 1. For Bose-Einstein, Ni by Gi is equal to 1 by e to the power alpha plus beta Ei minus 1. The Bose-Einstein distribution function becomes Fe is equal to, this is Ni by Gi is equal to 1 by e to the power Ei minus mu by Kt minus 1. If the energy levels of the system is very closely packed, the number of bosons having energy range E and E plus dE is given by NED. So NED is equal to GEDE by e to the power Ei minus mu by Kt minus 1. So this is Ni, we are representing in between the energy level E and E plus D is NED, and G becomes GED in between the energy level E and E plus D. other terms are same. So any d is equal to gd by e to the power ei minus mu by kt minus 1. If ei is very greater than kt, the Bose-Einstein distribution function reduces to Maxwell-Boltzmann distribution. That means when energy level is very much greater than kT, the quantum statistics shifts to the classical statistics. We will discuss it in our further lectures. Now let us take an example. The example states a gas has two distinguishable identical particles in kth energy level. That means number of particles is 2 and they are indistinguishable. So this should be indistinguishable if they are following which there are 3 quantum states according to B statistics. So these particles should be indistinguishable, not distinguishable. If the particles are following Bose-Einstein statistics, then they should be indistinguishable. So there is a typographical mistake. Keeping it in mind that the 2 particles are indistinguishable, identical, and they are at the kth energy level, in which there are 3 quantum states. That means Ni is equal to 2, Gi is equal to 3. According to Bose-Einstein statistics, find the possible number of microstates and also find the number of microstates in tabular form. So what is the formula of thermodynamic probability for Bose-Einstein distribution law? Wb is equal to Ni plus Gi minus 1 factorial by Ni factorial Gi minus 1 factorial. Here in our case, Ni is equal to 2, Gi is equal to 3. So Ni plus Gi means 5. So 5 minus 1 means 4 factorial. So here it is 4 factorial. Here Ni means 2 factorial. Gi means 3 minus 1, again 2 factorial. So 4 into 3, 4 into 3 into 2 factorial. So this 1 2 factorial, this one will change, cancel out. Another 2 factorial means 2 into 1, 2 into 4, 2 becomes, this becomes 6. So Wb is equal to 6. So number of microstates for this system having 2 indistinguishable identical particles in the kth energy level and having 3 quantum states, the number of microstates will be 6. Now let us come to the tabular form, the microstates, how the particles are distributed. The quantum states are 1, 2 and 3. How these particles can be distributed? We know any quantum state can accommodate any number of particles in case of Bose-Einstein statistics. So suppose the first one having 2 particles, then we have no other particles in our hand, so this 2 and 3 will be blank. Again second one, and this macrostate will be 2 0 0. If we place these 2 particles in the quantum state 2, then macrostate will be 0 to 2, other 1 and 3 having no particles. If we place these 2 particles in energy level 3, these A particles are there in quantum state 3, then the macrostate will be 0 0 2, and there will be no particles in 1 and 2 quantum states. Now if we place particles A in 1 and another particle A in 2, so 3 will be blank, then the macrostate will be 1 1 0. If we place one particle in quantum state 1, another particle in quantum state 3, then 2 will be blank, this one becomes 1 0 1. If we place one particle in quantum state 2, another one is 3, so this becomes 0 1 1. This is another typographical error. 0 1 1. So there will be, remember, keeping it in mind, this one is 0 1 1. So here 1, here 1. So there will be 6 macro states and each having 1 microstate. So 6 microstates, 6 macrostates as well as 6 microstates. Now come to another problem. A system has non-degenerate single particle states with 0, 1, 2, 3 energy units. 3 particles are to be distributed in these states such that the total energy of the system is 3 units. Find the number of microstates if the particles obey Bose-Einstein statistics. Find corresponding macrostates and microstates also. So there are 3 particles. We have to place these particles in the 4 energy levels so that the total energy becomes 3. So suppose the particles are all are A. So we are placing this is the energy state 0, 1, 2, 3. If we place one particle here, then total this becomes 0. Another particle 1 means 1. Another particle in 2 means 2. 2 into 1 means 2. So 2 plus 1 means 3e. So and in 3e there will be no particle. So the macrostate will be 1, 1, 1, 0. Again, if we place one particle at 3 energy state and other 2 particles at 0 energy state, then this 1e and 2e will be blank. So 1 into 3 means 3. This one is 0. So total energy will be 3e. So this macrostate will be 2, 0, 0, 1. Another possible distribution is if we place all these 3 particles in one energy level, that means 1 into 3 means 3 and other energy levels will be vacant. So this one will be 0, 3, 0, 0. So this is also 3. So these are 3 macrostates and their corresponding microstates. 3 macrostates as well as 3 microstates. Thus for this problem we will get 3 macrostates and each having 1 microstate. So total microstate is also 3. Now if we compare diagrammatically the different distributions, so we can see if this is the energy and this is the occupation index, then we can see this one distribution for Fermi-Dirac statistics, then Maxwell-Boltzmann, then Bose-Einstein statistics. So if energy increases 0, kT, 2 kT, 3 kT, 4 kT, then this distribution shifts from Fermi-Dirac to Maxwell-Boltzmann statistics. So this is the so different dotted lines are Maxwell-Boltzmann and the faint line is Bose-Einstein and deep line is Fermi-Dirac statistics. The normalization constants for the 3 distributions depend on the physical systems being considered. Because bosons do not obey Pauli's exclusion principle, more bosons can fill lower energy states. 3 graphs coincide at high energies. These 3 graphs, they are meeting at the higher energies. That is at the classical limit. Maxwell-Boltzmann statistics may be used in the classical limit. So we will discuss this part in our next lecture.